Hi, David Campanile here, owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate. Today's topic is going to be about how to handle your estate planning during a divorce. But before we jump into this topic, if you have any questions pertaining to estate planning and probate and you want to schedule a free strategy session over the phone with me, head over to njestateattorney.com and schedule a day and time that works best for you. So, how to handle your estate planning during a divorce. So this actually came to me because I have friends that are attorneys, and a lot of them happen to be matrimonial attorneys. And one of them came to me and said, David, I always tell my clients at the end of the divorce proceedings, after the marital settlement agreement's been done and executed and the final judgment of divorce has been, everybody receives it, I tell them go update their estate plan. I've actually had to say to them, I said, I think that's the wrong time to be advising them to do that. And he kind of looked at me and he said, why? And here was really my explanation to him. And to start, and I'm not a matrimonial attorney, so if you have questions pertaining to divorce or matrimonial law, go Google, go research, reach out, and I can refer a couple, but this is just more of a contextual general knowledge kind of thing. So when it comes to a divorce, when you file your complaint for divorce, that date, your marriage has ended. It ceases to end. Now in the state of New Jersey, we are an equitable distribution state. So we're not a community property state, we're equitable distribution. So what does this mean? We're basically going to go down, and during your divorce proceeding, they're going to figure out what was the marriages, what's not the marriages. They're going to assess values to things, and you and your spouse are going to, be two rams going at it, head to head. Hey, some divorces do settle pretty amicably, so don't worry. But when it comes to the estate planning side of things, when you file that divorce complaint, you should be heading to an estate planning attorney to go fix that estate plan or to go draft that estate plan. Now, why do I say that to you? Because think of it this way, and we're going to take it on the side of we have an estate plan and we need to revise it now or modify it, change it. And guess what? Your ex is still in charge of you. It's mind-boggling because on those estate planning documents, your ex or soon-to-be ex is your durable power of attorney most likely. They're your medical power of attorney. They're the one inheriting from you. And we don't want that. So when you file that divorce complaint, you really need to be heading to your estate planning attorney, contacting an estate planning attorney to get these things changed. Put your children in charge. Put your parents in charge if they're still alive. Put somebody other than your soon-to-be ex-spouse in charge. Because let's be real, these proceedings can get contentious, they can get stressful. Catastrophic things can happen that we don't foresee sometimes, but they happen. Now imagine going head-to-head with someone during contentious divorce proceedings, and now you're in the hospital, and that person, your ex-spouse or soon-to-be ex, is looking at you and they're making the medical decisions for you. It's not an ideal scenario. So, if you're going to file a divorce, if you're in the process of thinking about filing divorce, you need to go talk to an estate planning attorney as well. Talk to your matrimonial attorney, talk to your estate planning attorney. And that's if you have an estate plan done. If you don't have an estate plan done, guess what? Now you want to call that estate planning attorney and get one made, because you're still married in the eyes of even though the law cuts you off, they can walk in and say we're married, and we don't want that mess. We want to put the right people in charge. We want to make sure that that ex doesn't inherit from you wrongfully because of a mistake that you could have easily cured. So let's think about that. So to summarize this entire video, if you're planning on getting divorced or in the process of getting divorced. Contact your estate planning attorney if you have not revised your estate plan to take your soon-to-be ex-spouse out of that plan. Or if you don't have an estate plan, you need to contact an estate planning attorney and make an estate plan, so your soon-to-be ex does not wrongfully benefit from your demise. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please hit that like button. Head over to our YouTube channel. We're putting out some great content over there. If you are on Instagram or TikTok, head over to @NJEstateAttorney. If you know somebody who may be going through, have questions pertaining to a divorce and estate planning, and you found this video helpful, send it over to them. Tell them, hey, I was thinking about you. If you have any questions pertaining to divorce and estate planning, and how to help with your estate plan during your divorce, or any other topics in estate planning or probate, and you want to schedule a free strategy session over the phone with me, head over to njestateattorney.com, schedule a day and time that works best for you. As always, my name is David Campanile. I'm the owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate. Have a great day.